My town's smaller than your town, and I got a bigger bucket mess on my wall. I got a little more kick in my draw, y'all. I got a little more spit in my jaw. And my truck's lighter than your truck, and my collar's a little more blue. You might think that you're redneck, but I'm rednecker than you. Yes, I am. Hey everyone, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. I hope you could hear me okay. Just reminding you guys to, even though a lot of the economies are reopening and stuff, just to keep wearing a mask of some sort. I feel like bandanas are cooler than the mask, but maybe I'm just not cool. Anyway, so yeah, but this, I want to teach you how to play Rednecker by Hardy. This is the only Hardy song I've actually learned how to play myself even, so even though I do really like some of the stuff on Hicks tape. So I'm going to start, I might do some of those down the road. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to. Okay, so this is a great song because it's in standard tuning and there's no capo. You know how I love those no capo standard tuning songs, okay? So to those of you who have subscribed already, thanks a ton. To those of you who haven't, please subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials to help you guys learn a bunch of songs on guitar. I come out with songs every day on the guitar. So, all right, enough of that self-promotional stuff. This song is really easy to play. The strumming pattern is the same for 90% of the song, and the chord progression is the same for 90% of the song as well. And the chords are very easy, so super easy song here, all right? So let's get into it, all right? So you're going to use G. All right, this G is easier than this G in the song because you're going to go to C. Okay, so you're going to go to G, C, and you're going to do D. So I'm going to strum it with a different part of my finger so you can hear it. Okay, D, and that's it. You just use those three chords. Now they're in a different order throughout the song, but I'll show it to you. So you start, you're going to do G, so it's going to be G. This is the intro, C, D, C. Okay, and then when you go to G is where you're going to start. Well, so you think, so on think is where you do G, okay? Now real quick to show you the strumming pattern that I'm doing, all right, you're going to do this. You're going to go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you just do that, okay? So it's just that down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then every time you switch chords, you start over with it. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, down. And see, so G, C, D, and every time you just do it. So you play through that G, C, D, G, C, D, C, and then once you get back to G, you're gonna go, so so you think, okay? And that's where you're gonna start to do G, is on think. Well, so you think you got some dirt county line cred, cause you rode a dirt road or two. So on, cause you rode a dirt road or two is gonna be C, okay? Cause you rode a dirt road or two. You got a mossy oak hat on top of your head and a Southern Pride tattoo. Okay, so when you do mossy, mossy is where you're gonna do D, okay? And then Southern, you're gonna Southern Pride tattoo. Southern is where you're gonna do C, all right? And then you're gonna go, but if you think you got more, but if you think your boots got more dirt than mine, but if you think your boots got more dirt than mine, I got is where you do C. I got one thing to say. Okay, so that's how the verse goes. I'm gonna walk you through that one time. Okay, remember it starts with G. I'm gonna show you so that you can see the hand where I do the chords. Okay. Well, so you think you got some county line cred, cause you rode a dirt road or two. Now here comes D. You got a mossy oak hat on top of your head and a Southern Pride tattoo. Yeah, you might drink a little grain alcohol or haul a little hay. But if you think your boots got more dirt than mine, I got one thing to say. Okay, so then you're gonna mute it there. Just do up, down, mute. Okay, on that C after say. All right. And then the chorus is going to be G. And it's the same strumming pattern. C. Okay. G. All right, then you're gonna do D, and then C, G. Okay, so this time you're doing G, C, G, D, C, G. All right, so I'm gonna walk you through that. So you're gonna go, my town's smaller than your town, and I got a bigger is C, bigger bucket bass on my wall. Wall is G, okay? Wall. I got a little is where you play D. Little more kick in my draw, y'all. I got a little, and then this little you play C. Little more spit in my chaw, and then chaw is where you do G. Chaw. And then you're gonna stay with G and start over again, okay? So you're gonna go, and my is G. My truck's louder than your truck, and my collar, so collar is C, and that's easy to remember because it's C starts with collar starts with C, and my collar's a little more blue. The way you can remember G is blue is you could just do go blue if that helps. Blue. You might, and then you do U is going to be D. You might think that you're redneck, but I'm is where you do C. I'm rednecker than you, yes I am. And then you're gonna do one on G right after and let it ring for a second, because there's a lot more to it. There's other instruments and they have a lead guitar and stuff. I'm not teaching you how to do the lead guitar. It's gonna be hard to play with this. So you just let them do the G and you let it ring out, and then you're gonna start, and then you're gonna do the second verses just like the first. I got a car parked in my front yard, okay? And so car is where you start doing G. I got a car, and that's where you're going to start it, and you just can go through it just like you did for the first verse, okay? Now, that's most of the song. Now there is a little bit more. So in the bridge, you're just going to play, and you're going to play. Remember, the verses are never as loud, or almost never as loud as the chorus. All right. So the chorus, the verses, you might be like, okay. So you're just going to do a little bit softer, but when you do the chorus, you're going to be, my truck's or my town's smaller than your town, and I got a bigger bucket bass on my wall. Okay, you're going to play it louder and sing it louder usually there. Now for the bridge, they've got a little like solo, and I'm not teaching you the solo in this video because this is for beginners. But during that time, if I were you, I would just play it like loud and maybe a little bit faster. But it's up to you if you want to do that. But so you're gonna do just G. And you're gonna do the same strumming pattern, C. Okay, I'm muting the C the whole time, by the way. D, and I'm muting the D. You don't have to, but I am. C. And then you don't actually play G at the end of this. You just go into D. Okay, so you do, yeah, I'm down, and on down, that's right, I'm is where you do D. Yeah, I'm down with the sound of a Dixie whistle raising. So on raising hell. Hell is where you're gonna play C. Raising hell, praising Dell, 12 in at Bristol, okay, in at Bristol. More sweat on my brow, so sweat is where you're gonna do D. Sweat on my brow at the end of the day. Okay, so you're gonna do C. So needless to say, okay, that's how you're gonna do that. You're gonna let it ring open. So it's D, C, G, D, C. Okay? So then what you're gonna do here is, this is the one time where the strumming pattern is different. You're gonna palm mute it. Okay? So you're gonna put this part of your hand as close as you can to the white bridge right here, okay? So you're gonna put it right there, all right, as close as you can, not on it, but right next to it, and then you're just gonna hit the bass notes. You're gonna hit the A and D. Okay, here, okay? So you're gonna go, actually for the G, you will hit the G, the E note, okay? You're gonna hit the top two. All right, so you're gonna do, my town's smaller than your town, and I got a bigger bucket bass on my wall. So it's just down, 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 down. Okay, so just down, 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 down. Okay, so that's all you're doing. It's just that down, 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 down. Okay, now then what you're gonna do is once you get to it's just the facts, y'all. So that's on C. So you're gonna do, it's just the facts, y'all. So you're gonna stop palm muting and start playing it louder. And then after y'all, and then you're gonna mute and go, cause my truck's louder than your truck. And then you just go into the chorus, okay? And the outro, the way that the song ends, is just G, C, D, C, G. Okay, so you just do the same strumming pattern, but you just end it on G, like that. Okay, that's the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments. Yeah, it's been a lot of fun. Make sure you stay safe with your masks, even though the economies are opening in a lot of places. Be safe. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time.